Back in 1929, during India's struggle for independence, Gaur Mohan Datta was a young man of 27. Being a practical patriot, he was convinced that the best way to help his motherland was to become economically self-reliant. He teamed up with scientists of Calcutta University and developed various products of world-class quality, one of which would be the legendary green tube, Boroline. And thus began our journey. Today, G.D. Pharmaceuticals has 2 production units with over 56,000 square feet in floor area. The factories near Kolkata and Delhi annually produce 650 metric tons of ointments and creams, 200 kiloliters of antiseptic liquid, and 450 kiloliters of hair-nourishing product. To maintain strict quality control, we have refrained from outsourcing production services. About 150 trained and experienced personnel form the co-production group, controlling and operating the fully automated production lines. The company, as its policy, spends over 5% of its annual earnings on research and development. This has helped raise the product quality standards and keep prices under control. Boroline, our flagship brand, has been selected for the Super Brand Awards twice in a row. With offices and warehouses in 18 cities, the company's distribution network covers over 30 million square kilometers of area. A dedicated team of 250 representatives and professionals ensure that our products seamlessly reach out to over 1 billion people.
We're very proud of our association with G.D. Pharmaceuticals. Our association with them goes back to more than 3.5 decades. We're very proud to be one of the key ingredient suppliers to GD, which is the manufacturer of Boroline, one of the leading super brands in the world.
We at G.D. value this relationship particularly because in the current economic situation where it is a dog-eat-dog world, it is difficult to come across customers who value relationships, commitments and principles.
In addition, communication with higher authorities is open 24/7 and transparent, which enhances the confidence of associates and even customers.
A tube of Boroline is sold to someone somewhere in the world every second. This makes us even more proud because indirectly we too are touching human lives every second somewhere in the world.
We do hope that as we go forward in the years to come, this will blossom into a much larger and stronger relationship.
Both our companies strongly believe in quality, commitment and consistency, and therefore we are very confident that in the years to come our relationship will only get stronger.
We are equally conscious of our social responsibilities. G.D. Pharmaceuticals ensures that its packing is entirely recyclable. In the factory near Kolkata, a special plantation project is maintained. Besides donation to NGOs, the company provides assistance to numerous terminally ill patients and children in need of help. Every thought and action of the company aims to enhance its trustworthiness amongst its employees, customers, business associates, and every individual it works with.
I'm using Boroline from the age of 6 or 7. I used to steal it from my auntie's makeup box. I used to use it mostly for my chapped skin.
যখন থেকে নিজের চোখে কিছু আইডেন্টিফাই করতে শিখেছি, তখন থেকে মা বাবা যেরকম চিনতে শিখেছি, সেই রকম બોરોલિনের સબૂજ પેકેટટાকেও চিনতে শিখেছি.
બોરોલિન એક એવી એન્ટિસેપ્ટિક ક્રીમ છે જે અમે મારા ઘરમાં નાના મોટા દરેક વ્યક્તિ વર્ષોથી વાપરીએ છીએ. એનું જે એક વર્ષોથી એક ધરી જે ક્વોલિટી આવે છે, એ અમને એના ઉપર વધારે ભરોસો મુકાવે છે.
গরমকালে সুদলটা মেখে ভীষণ আরাম পায়। ঘামাচি র্যাশ বেরোনো এই সমস্ত প্রবলেম তো গরমকালে বিশেষ করে কলকাতাতে খুবই হয়। সুদলটা মেখে কিন্তু দারুণ উপকার পায়।
আমি কলেজে পড়াই, তো রোজ যখন বেরোতে হয় তখন ব্যাগের মধ্যে মোবাইল আর পেনের সঙ্গে আমি সুদলটা ঢোকাতে ভুলি না।
In 1980, I found a new use of Boroline when I was suffering from piles. All other medicine failed, but then in desperation, I used Boroline and bleeding stopped immediately.
After cesarean section, আমার স্কার মার্ক কি করে মিটবে এই নিয়ে খুব চিন্তা ছিল। আর যখন আমার চিকেন পক্স হয়েছিল, গোটা মুখে প্রায় 50-60টা কালো কালো স্পট হয়েছিল, কিন্তু দুটো দাগই বোরোলিন ব্যবহার করে এত সুন্দরভাবে কমে গেছে, একদম কোনো দাগ নেই। সেই জন্য বোরোলিন আমার কাছে ভীষণ ভালো।
I always had a hair fall problem during each of my visits to Kolkata, possibly due to heavy iron content in the water. I was referred to Eileen hair oil by one of my relatives, which reduced my hair fall considerably over the 3-4 days of period I was staying there.
I was so impressed by it that I bought a bottle for myself. And very shortly, my entire family started using the oil.
On my return to Mumbai, I was unable to find Elen hair oil available in local shops. So I wrote to them.
And I was very pleasantly surprised when in 2 days only, they sent me a mail saying that they are couriering me 2 bottles of Elen with their compliments.
For a customer, this gesture of goodwill from such a big company is heartwarming.
ডাক্তাররা যেমন বলেন লাইফ সেভিং ড্রাগ, আমার মতে বোরোলিনও সেরকম স্কিন সেভিং ক্রিম।
Now after all these years, at the age of 72, I feel Boroline has become a part of my life. I cannot live without it.
At G.D. Pharmaceuticals, we deliver as per our commitments.